2300. Y'all see 1 minute ago. Is that wild bringing 2 phones in? Ooh. 1:32 p.m. If it was a younger person, I definitely would have done it. Little 30 ball.
Every day I wake up and agony. I feel like these demons stabbing. He had caught one to the face, fall that.
What's good with y'all boys, man? Oh my gosh, it's hot as fucking this car. Oh hell no. Nah, what's good with y'all though, man? Back with another motherfucking video, man. Come on. Dude, it is hot, bro. This car, I just started it and it's breathing straight hot breath, bro. Holy shit, it's straight hot air in this biatch. But let me give y'all a sales check for the morning. This is the new phone by the, oh no, this is the new phone I caught. Ooh, shit sexy as fuck. It is 1 p.m. as you guys can see. 1:32 p.m. That is the morning, by the way. And we are at 1,400 bones. 1,400 bones. Y'all already know my conversion rate, straight dog shit. Try! Hey, fuck it, bro. Still working, man. We still working. 1,400 for the morning. That's not that bad. That's not that bad. I want to try getting some rich water. Or like some water, because like I don't know, I heard Luke Belmar talking about it and the low-key makes sense, because like every time I drink tap water, like I feel like my head can't think straight. Like I don't know, I feel like I'm not thinking the right way. So it's gonna be the first experience. I'm gonna give y'all a little review on some expensive water, you know what I'm saying? You gotta spend that money, because y'all know what I told y'all in the last video. Scott Hilsey, come on, he said gotta have that flow of money. Money gotta be coming in the same as it coming out, or probably not the same as it's coming out, but it's gotta be coming out. But yeah, let me get everything charging real quick. All right, and we should be good for takeoff. Look at this. I'm probably gonna catch y'all at the little convenience store, and I'm probably gonna vlog me getting the water. Probably gonna be awkward as hell, but fuck it, my nigga. You gonna look awkward. You gonna be freezing. I know that Rick Ross clip. It's gonna be freezing, nigga. Y'all boys, hold on. Let me turn down the volume. I'm gonna try my hardest not to leak the fucking name. Yo, Shopify, you gotta do some shit where I don't have to leak the name and I can still show these. You know what I'm saying? Show them the notifications we getting. Damn. Alright, damn, I just got the screen protector too, so y'all can't even see. Look at that shit. Yo, that shit hard as shit. Y'all see 1 minute ago, y'all can tell it's from Shopify because it says online store. You know what I'm saying? We're not faking shit over here. Trying to edge y'all with the money number without leaking the name. I think it got it. If it didn't, it's GG's. I'm not gonna lie. It's GG's if it didn't get it. But I'm pretty sure it got it. Right now, we just got to Walgreens, you know what I'm saying? We go inside. Is that wild bringing 2 phones in? I don't really be bringing my 2 phones inside. I just be leaving one in the car because it's no point, low-key. Like, one could fall out, like, I don't know. Low-key doing too much if you bring 2 phones everywhere. Unless you got, like, a bag or something. If you got a bag, that's calm. But if you, like, just put it in your pockets or some shit, like, it's low-key wild. I don't know. And my second phone doesn't have data. It's just straight Wi-Fi. So that's why I also don't bring it. But if I get, like, a satchel, like, y'all know them tough-ass, like, designer satchels, I'll just get that and then bring it in that. That'll be tough. All right. Boss, is that the move? Boss or El Evian for smart water? Hell no. That's some like 2016 shit. We don't drink smart water anymore. What about Core? Is Core the move? Hardcore. I know that Ken Carson song. Fiji? Nah, Fiji's too short, bro. Like, we could go Essential. Essential is tough. Niggas in high school used to drink this. Essential, that's tough. On me, Essential is tough. I'll just drink Evian. That shit was tough. Oh, should I get the whole joint? Nah, the whole joint. That's when you really hooping. 15, nah. We gotta just trap the one joint and see how it does. And they had all this shit, but their shit not cool. Like, this shit cool as shit. Look at that. That shit hard. Getting room temperature rich water is insane. You can't do that shit. That's wild. Low-key thinking about getting like Red Bull or something, but I think I'm just gonna trap the water. Alright, I'm gonna catch y'all after I pay for this shit. Alright, bag secured, you know what I'm saying? Rich water. What about motherfucker got the rich water, you heard? What about motherfucker got the rich water, you heard? Damn, it's like a biker gang outside. I didn't know they still do that shit. What the fuck? I just saw like 10 fucking motorcycles. It's like the shit they be doing in Baltimore. They be having like hella fucking like, what are those shits called? Like little quadra things. Isn't that what it's called? I remember seeing them shits on Fortnite or some shit. The little like shit with like 4 wheels and shit. I don't know. It's like a motorbike but with 4 wheels. I forgot what it's called. Damn, that joint got a fucking nurse outfit on and just like hit a whole J in front of me. What the hell? The Virginia is really not real. I kind of want to go to Chipotle today to get y'all some content because I want to do the little. Damn, I gotta turn down the music. I'm about to get copyrighted. Yeah, I low-key want to go to Chipotle and get y'all some content because y'all heard the new like little Chipotle rule when you like record the workers. They literally have to get you right, fool. Like they can't be scary with the fucking serving sizes anymore and fucking like fool you on the serving sizes. I don't want to go to my neighborhood one because that's low-key wild. I don't want to do them bad, even though they be doing me bad. I'm not gonna lie. No racist shit, but it's always like a abuelita, bro. It's always like a old Mexican lady, bro. No racist shit though, or that might be racist, and I might be racist. I think them Xbox days really did something to me, bro. We gotta turn a new leaf, though. Yo, I gotta chill before they demonetize my shit, bro. I'm about to get deplatformed on some fucking, like, Andrew Tate shit looking ass. Well, I man, drop the top. I just tasted a little bit, but I didn't really taste it for real. Oh, nah. Like, I can feel, like, the cold shit is tough, but this kind of tastes weird. Oh, no, I'm gonna have to finish the whole bottle to give y'all a real honest review. But, yeah, I'm gonna go to Chipotle and then fucking, like, record the workers and just troll them. But that's low-key wild going with a camera, though, right? I might just bring my phone and just do it. Because, you know what I'm saying? I'm solo dolo right now. If I had people with me, I would fucking do that shit. That should be funny as fuck. When you by yourself, it's just, like, the whole world. I feel like the whole world looking at you on some shit. Or maybe I'm just being a bitch. I don't know. I'm about to go to the gym right now, though. Probably not about to record that because Planet fucking Fitness. Nobody wants to see Planet Fitness. Should I record me sneaking in? I mean, I guess it's not sneaking in because I don't have a membership there, but I got the plug though. The plug, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I can't say too much. Like who wants to see me sneaking into Planet Fitness? Like once I move and like niggas start going to the nice ass gyms, cause I'm never paying for a gym. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck how rich I am. I'm not paying for a gym membership. I'm getting that shit in blood. I don't care. Fuck out of here. I'm gonna finesse my whole life. That probably sounded cringe as fuck, but I don't care. I'm not paying for a gym membership. Even when we're rich as fuck and going to Equinox and shit, I'm gonna be sneaking in, my nigga. I'm gonna still be sneaking into gyms. I'm never changing. Y'all know that one Ken Carson song, Never Change? That shit was so hard. Let me play it. Also, before I play the song, actually, y'all boys gotta join the Discord, bro. We be doing calls from now and then. I'll be trying to do it every night, but sometimes I don't get my product research done at night, and I gotta just do it. And I can't be like in the call if I didn't get my work and shit done. But yeah, this is the Discord. You know what I'm saying? Little chill shit, little categories and shit. You know what I'm saying? Shit looking boneless right now. We gonna get it unboneless though. We gonna get it bone in. But right now it's boneless. You know what I'm saying? We don't got that many categories, mainly because we don't got that many people. You know what I'm saying? So it's not no point to have hella categories. These are the rules. You know what I'm saying? Rules are: don't be too racist. Don't set porn unless it's valid. Don't promo your own course / mentorship, but I respect the hustle. And don't threaten other members. If those rules fit you, then join the Discord, my nigga. Come on now. But yeah, damn, I didn't even play the song yet. Is it playing? I want y'all to hear the song. Look at these ugly niggas. These niggas ugly as shit. I'm about to run them over. All right, y'all boys. So, fuck, hold on. All right, so I just got, damn. Let me turn the volume down. All right, so yeah, I just got to Chipotle. So yeah. Damn, she bad as shit. I'm about to do the little Chipotle method, the little phone, fuck, what's it called? The little phone, it's like holding up the phone and shit at the Chipotle register. I'm gonna just basically be on some make my shit straight, bitch. I think like I'm gonna just be on that type shit. So yeah, I'm actually gonna record it though. So I'm gonna just be recording on my phone and we're just gonna see what happens, my nigga. If they don't get us right, what should we do? On some Keith Lee shit and just spam bad reviews on this specific location. Looking ass. But yeah, nah. Also, do y'all be parking right in front of the Chipotle and just be having your hazards lights on? We do that shit every time, bro. I'm not parking all the way there, walking out in this hot ass sun. I love people be doing it too. Bro, over there doing it, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm about to go in. Hopefully they don't fool us, my nigga. Cause if they fool us, I can't really do anything about it, but I just don't want to get food. I just want to eat food and then get to work, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Can I get a bowl? To go. Can I get rice? No beans and chicken? Yeah, white rice, no beans and chicken. I ain't gonna lie, that was low-key a W, bro. I'm about to start doing that shit every time. Never in my life has a Chipotle worker ever done the double scoop shit on a single serving. I've never got that shit in my life. I'm literally about to do this shit every time I go there now. What the fuck? I low-key felt bad because she was kind of old. You know what I mean? I didn't want to like fucking like disturb her and like, you know what I'm saying? Because she was a little older. If it was a younger person, I definitely would have done it. But I'm gonna still do it either way now. Fuck it, bro. No Chipotle worker ever did the double take. That double take was insane, bro. Let's show y'all the film. Let's review the film though. Let me not show my camera roll. It might be porn. They made my shit straight. I ain't gonna lie. She made my shit straight. I'm gonna do this shit every time now. This is the little warm up. Yeah, look at this. She did that double take. Yeah, she did that double take. I ain't never got no double take in my life, bro. What the fuck? But yeah, I'm about to go to the crib, eat this shit, and then all the videos I have to do today are at my crib. So that's a W, bro. I don't have to go outside and fucking like film in front of like hella people. I can just film in the crib. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. And then after that, I think I'm about to go hoop outside. So yeah, that'll be content for y'all boys. So yeah, and I'll update y'all on the sales probably. We haven't got any sales since the last. Actually no, I got one sit on the gym. I was low-key lit when I got that shit. It was during my fucking chest workout. All right, y'all boys. I'm just being a little lazy, I'm not gonna lie. I filmed one video, but I gotta like use somebody's room and they fucking like sleeping right now and shit. So I can't film that. Damn, my teeth look good, bro. I look horrible on this fucking iPhone camera. How the fuck do I look chopped on the newest iPhone that camera? That's wild as shit, cause don't this shit got the highest definition? Fucked up, bro. It's really fucked up, Apple. This shit fucked up. But nah, I'm about to go hoop outside, you know, great weather, bro. Man, look how nice. Yo, I'm just leaking my whole, Yo, I almost died. I almost died. I was about to go, bro. I'm geeking like shit. Look at his cool ass. He gotta be a racist driving that car. He just like me. Yeah, we're about to hoop outside, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all boys get outside, get some sun, get some rays and shit. So yeah, we're about to hoop outside. The fit is looking insane, I'm not gonna lie, but we're not up yet, so it's okay. Yeah, so I got this shirt on, got some little gray sweatpants on, or no, dark gray. You know what I'm saying? I'm not that much of a fucking freak. We got the newbies right here. Red newbies is kind of crazy. I'm already knowing red newbies is kind of crazy, but I don't know what I was on getting red newbies. I think I wanted to be different. I got them like during quarantine though. So yeah, they were probably sold out of all the gray ones, but yeah, we're getting the gray one soon. But yeah, we also did get 3 sales, or no, I think we got more than 3. Oh no, because I picked y'all back. Yeah, since we were home, I think we got 3 or 4 sales. One of them was a bundle, so it was like 120, I think. So yeah, bundles. Make sure y'all boys adding bundles to y'all story. You know what I mean? Get that extra AOV. That's what it's called, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we're at the court right now. I mean, we're about to park at the court right now. So once we start hooping and shit, I'm gonna pick y'all boys back up. Let me see if it's deep. Oh damn, this nigga got a fat ass white shirt. You know them niggas with them fat ass white shirts. Yeah, nah, I can't trust them. All right, yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all boys back up, man. Y'all boys see the week to date is 11. Hold on, fuck. Got the little screen protector thing, so my phone brightness is low key, hella low. But y'all boys see week to date is go bond for bond looking ass. All right, bet. Now y'all can see 2300 for bond. Ooh, we can go M for M the month. Ah, shit. Here we go again. Looking at the month to date action, you know what I'm saying? Little 30 ball. Damn, I wasn't recording on 4K. That's low-key ass. Yeah, y'all boys saw 30 bands for the month, you know what I'm saying? Little W. We're still plotting on that 10K day, though, bro. We need that 10K day. Highest day we've had this month so far is the 3 ball. I wanted 10 ball, though. I wanted 10 ball in a day. We're gonna try to get there, you know what I mean? We're gonna try to put y'all boys on the Discord, you know what I'm saying? We'll try to fill that shit up, fill y'all boys up with info, you know what I'm saying? Pause them. No pause, actually. I'm gonna fill y'all boys up. Low-key done hooping, though. Played like 3 fucking 1v1s. I'm low-key washed, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I won 2, though, so, you know what I'm saying? W day, but this internet money taking everything out of me, bro. Got you, young. Man, I should like the airless basketball. Didn't even bring water, bro. I'm low-key wild. I hate kids, bro. I swear. Like, why are they so happy, bro? Life isn't happy, bro. Fuck out of here. Why are they all just smiling and screaming and playing with water and shit, bro? Niggas is really stressing, bro. Niggas really trying to make it. Stop fucking laughing. Ain't shit funny, bro. I'm going insane, like. Are all those kids just like laughing and wearing Under Armour and shit? Under Armour shirts with like, it says Under Armour and it has the logo and it's like a specific color. They're wearing those type of shirts, bro. That shit's blowing the fuck out of me. Look, they just look too happy, bro. Too much fucking fun. I might have to smack this shot.